Hi, this is Matt from UAV America, and Jim and I are here on Mendham's Pond today, doing a test flight on our MR6 hexcopter. This is based on the Tarot T960 frame. We're using T motors, 40 amp ESCs, 6 cell, 12,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Currently, we're flying 14-inch props on it, but this machine will take anywhere from a 14 to a 17-inch prop, depending on what type of payload you're carrying. We're also using the DJI A2 flight controller. Winds today are 18 miles an hour, gusting to 32, so it's windier than we would recommend flying in, but this is a test for us, and these are the kind of things that we do to assure that you have a good, safe flying experience with your machine.
Well, huh?
Really, really well,
You can see that snow. Look how fast that snow is blowing.
This is
Much better down low, isn't it?
Look comes a big gust left to right here. Big updraft. I mean, thing's bouncing all over the place, but its position is holding
Quite well, huh?
really, really well,
You can see that snow. Look how fast that snow is blowing.
This is certainly beyond the limit of what I would recommend, and well beyond the limit of what DJI recommends. I think their maximum wind resistance they claim is 18 miles an hour, and it's certainly gusting over 18 right now. I haven't touched the sticks this whole time. It's just sitting there. Okay, we're between gusts right now. I'm gonna come in and land it. We got a big gust coming in. I don't want to be close to the ground when that turbulence.
Yeah. Whew. Boy, that's really nasty stuff, huh?